What is the largest power of 2 that is a divisor of 13 to the fourth power minus 11 to the fourth power? A. 8. B. 16. C. 32. D. 64. Or E. 128. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The key is to factor this as a difference of squares. 13 to the fourth minus 11 to the fourth equals 13 squared minus 11 squared times 13 squared plus 11 squared. 13 squared is 169. And 11 squared is 121. So we get 169 minus 121 times 169 plus 121, which is 48 times 290. Now pull out the powers of 2 from each factor. 48 equals 2 to the fourth times 3. And 290 equals 2 times 145, where 145 is odd. So altogether we have 2 to the fourth times 2 to the first times an odd number. Adding the exponents. 2 to the fourth times 2 to the first is 2 to the fifth. So the largest power of 2 that divides the expression is 2 to the fifth, which equals 32. The largest power of 2 that is a divisor is 32, which is choice C.